This is a quick video to help you troubleshoot a mini electric chainsaw that is not spinning, not working, the chain is not working. I'm going to go over the 4 most common things you're going to be running into, from the most obvious to a little bit more complicated. So number 1 is going to be that you have a dead battery. Pretty obvious, but make sure that you're operating with a battery that's charged up. Now, the second thing is almost all of these chainsaws, or all of these chainsaws, this particular one is a D-hand. I'll put a link in the description if you're interested in it, but they all have a mechanism pretty similar to this, which is they have a safety mechanism. And if that safety mechanism is engaged, it's not gonna let you. So if I just squeeze this trigger like this, you can see the trigger, it won't even let it squeeze down because the safety is on. This one has this safety button here. So in order to operate this chainsaw, I have to press down this release mechanism, and then I can press, and you can hear it click. So that's the second thing. The third thing is, if it's not, it might be seized up because there's not enough oil. And for this one has this reservoir here. We can just add bar oil into this reservoir here. In this particular model, it actually has a clear top, so you can look in and check your oil level, make sure you have oil. And then the last thing is, if the chain is too tight, then it can keep the chain from spinning. It'll be, if it's so tight on there. So what you want is a chain that has tension like this, where it's, if you pull it out, you can pull it away from the bar, but you can't pull it all the way away from the bar so that those teeth come out of the grooves. But if you're pulling on it and it's stays stuck to the bar, that chain is too tight, and what you need to do is loosen it. And on this model, what you need to do is loosen this cover and then come around and find this tension bar, this tension screw here. And if you turn this counterclockwise, this will loosen up this bar, loosen up this chain so that you can get proper tightness. And then once you're done loosening it up, then you need to retighten this cover here. And hopefully one of those 4 things will have fixed your issue.